Are your projects scattered across emails and sticky notes? Turn Google Calendar into your project command center in under 2 minutes. First, create a project event with a deadline. Then, invite your team and add all details and attachments. To create a new project event, start by clicking the Create button at the top of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose Event to open up the event creation form. Next, enter your project name in the title field to give your event a clear name. Then, click on the Date and Time picker to set your project's deadline or milestone date and time. Now, click on the Does Not Repeat drop-down menu to see your repeating options. Select Does Not Repeat to make this a one-time event that won't repeat automatically. Now click on Add Guests to bring up the field for inviting team members. Type the email address. When their email appears in the search results, click on it to add them as a guest. Next, click on Add Description or Attachments to open up that section. Add a description with project details, goals, or any important notes. You can also attach a file if you have any relevant documents to share. Now that everything is set, click Save to create your event. Then click Send to email invitations to your guests, and you're all set. Your project event is ready to go. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.